Hi dear friends, welcome to our channel. Today we have for you the simplest dessert recipe in the world, which saves us when we urgently need to serve something sweet. But we also love to cook it just to pamper our family with the bucket apples. For this recipe you only need apples. That's all. You can stop there. But we also use wine, sugar and water here in equal quantities. Nothing could be simpler. Just sprinkle the apple with sugar, then pour the wine over the sugar and add a little water to the baking dish. And that's all you need to do before putting the apples in the slightly preheated oven. Then cook your fruit in a static oven at 200 degrees for an hour. You can also leave the apples in the oven for a longer period if you prefer fruits that are softer and more baked inside. Serve your fruit by basting them with the syrup formed during their cooking. Buon appetito! Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel.